So my ethyl acetate solution, it's been sitting over the magnesium sulfate for quite a while. If you remember what it looked like before, it was kind of cloudy, and you see now the solution is very, very transparent, not cloudy anymore. Some of the magnesium sulfate is free-flowing also, which is good. That means that uh, there's extra of the magnesium sulfate, so it's absorbed the water that was mixed with the ethyl acetate, so hopefully my product will be very dry. I have my clean round bottom flask that I weighed a moment ago, and I'm going to carefully decant the solution into the round bottom flask, leaving behind, I hope, the magnesium sulfate in the Erlenmeyer. Excellent. Okay, so now I have in the round bottom flask a solution of ethyl acetate, which has my product dissolved in it, hopefully pure, and I'll fix it to the simple distillation apparatus that I have set up. One thing I didn't add was a boiling stone. When you do a distillation, always add a couple of boiling stones. That will make the boiling happen much nicer. Okay, so now all we have to do is heat it. Now the boiling point for ethyl acetate is pretty low, so it should heat without too much problem. We need to lower this into the sand bath. I have a lot of clamps, so we just want to jiggle this down a little. There, okay, and now clamp it again. That, all right, and turn on the water first. Always with the condensers, you remember that water goes in the bottom and out at the top. So I have my water here. This one's connected to the sink, to the faucet. The water's going to go up the condenser and then out back into the sink. So I'll turn on cold water. Oh, okay, hose popped off. Okay, I'm going to try that again and turn the water on very slowly. Hopefully this time the hose will not pop off. Okay, that hose is leaking. trying this again with a different hose. That hose looks okay. Now I'm going to turn on the heat, let that sand bath heat up, and do my distillation. Go ahead and turn off the camera and I'll start it up again after it's a little hotter.